All right, number 12, you're going to describe what type of trapezoid this is, and then you're going to see, find its all remaining angle measurements here. So let's look at A. You see that the legs here are congruent with the red marks. The fact that the two legs here are congruent, you can call this an isosceles trapezoid. Okay. From there, you can find the angle measurements, and there are certain things that we know. We know here that all the bases are congruent. So this is 44. We know that this is also going to be 44. Then we know that from supplementary, angle J plus angle K has to be equal to 180 because, again, a trapezoid is a parallelogram. And we know from a parallelogram, consecutive interior angles are congruent. So all we have to do here is find that value. So we have angle L plus 44 plus something is equal to 180. So again, we can just write 180 minus 44. This gets you 136 here. Okay, because again, 44 plus 136 is equal to 180. All right. So if this is 136, this also has to be 136 because angle M and angle L have to be supplementary. Let's look at B here. There are no red marks here. So that just indicates that this is just a regular trapezoid. So we can write just trapezoid here. Okay. And now we can find the values. So we know if this is 78, we can know what J is because J plus K has to be equal to 180. So this is 78. Angle J plus 78 is equal to 180. So if we subtract 78 to both sides, angle J is equal to, let's see, 180 minus 78 is 102. So we know that this is 102. Okay. Then we know that angle M and angle L has to be supplementary. Angle L. Is this right? Hold on. Let me double check this. Okay. So that's 102. Good. Okay. Angle M plus angle L is equal to 180. This is 132 plus angle L is equal to 180. Minus 132 minus 132, you get angle L is equal to 48. Okay, so there you go. This is 48 degrees. All right. This is a very interesting trapezoid. Huh. Okay, let's look at C here. All right, these are the two legs here are congruent, so this makes it an isosceles trapezoid. Then we know if this is 82, we can know what this is, okay? This is 82. Then we know this is going to be supplementary to that. So we can do angle M plus angle L is equal to 180. This is 82 for angle M. Then angle L is unknown. Minus 82 to both sides. You get angle L is equal to, let's see, 180. Minus 82, that gets you 98. This is 98, making this also 98. All right, so there you go. That is the interesting. B is the only one that's a little bit off, but everything else is a good isosceles trapezoid.